Hello, my friend. Welcome back. Today we start something powerful. Today we make English simple. And we make English yours. You want confidence. You want fluency. You want daily English. I am here for you. Listen closely. Stay with me. This is not boring grammar. This is not long textbooks. This is real English. This is daily English. Section 1. The power of daily English. English is everywhere. It is in movies, it is in music, it is in shops, it is in airports. But here's the truth. You don't need everything. You don't need big words. You don't need complex grammar. You need daily English. The English people actually use. Simple phrases, simple patterns, used every day. That is your key. That is your confidence. Imagine this. You enter a cafe. You order coffee. You smile. The person smiles back. You feel proud. That is confidence. That is English. Section 2. Starting conversations. The first step is easy. It is greetings. Greetings open doors. Greetings make friends. Here are your golden phrases. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Short, clear, powerful. Want more? Add kindness. How are you? How's it going? Nice to meet you. These phrases are small, but they are strong. They build connection. They build trust. Say them with a smile. Say them with confidence, because confidence grows small. One word, one phrase. One step. Section 3. Everyday questions. Life is full of questions. English conversations, too. People ask, you answer. Here are simple starters. What's your name? Where are you from? Do you speak English? What do you do? And your answers? Keep them short. Keep them clear. My name is Ali. I'm from India. Yes, a little. I am a student. That's enough. That's English. That's confidence. Section 4. Small talk, big impact. Small talk feels small, but it is big. It creates comfort. It opens hearts. Here are magic lines. Nice weather today. It's very hot. It's so cold. It's raining again. Simple, right? But these lines connect. They show you care. They show you belong. Add more. That's interesting. Really? Wow, amazing. These words keep conversations alive. They make you active. They make you natural. Section 5. In shops and cafes. Now imagine this. You walk into a cafe. You want to order. You need English. Here's your phrase. Can I have a coffee, please? I'd like tea, please. Just water, thank you. See? Easy, polite, natural. In shops. How much is this? Can I pay by card? Section 7. Building confidence. Now listen carefully. Confidence is not magic. Confidence is not a gift. Confidence is practice. Confidence is progress. Start small. One phrase today. One phrase tomorrow. Smile when you speak. Look into eyes. Use your voice. Strong, but calm. Remember this. Mistakes are teachers. Every mistake teaches. Every mistake grows you. So don't fear mistakes. Welcome them. Learn from them. Move forward. Section 8. At work or school. English is teamwork. English is connection. Work and school need both. Here are survival phrases. Excuse me, can I ask something? Can you help me, please? Sorry, I don't understand. Can you repeat that, please? These phrases show respect. They show humility, and they give you time. In class. What page are we on? Can you explain again? I need more practice. In work. I'll do my best. I'll finish it soon. Let's work together. Simple, clear, polite. That's professional English. Section 9. Traveling with English. Travel is adventure. Travel needs English. At the airport. Where is gate 10? What time is boarding? How long is the flight? On the plane. Can I have water? I need a blanket, please. Thank you very much. At hotels. I have a reservation. Can I check in? What time is breakfast? See? Travel English is short. Travel English is powerful. One line saves stress. One phrase builds confidence. Section 10. With friends. Friends make English fun. Friends make English real. Here's how you connect. Want to hang out? Let's get lunch. Do you like movies? Let's go shopping. And when you enjoy, that's so funny. I love this song. You're amazing. Friendship grows in small lines. Friendship grows in daily words. Speak them, share them, live them. Section 11. Handling problems. Problems happen, but English solves them. In shops. This is the wrong size. Can I return this? I need a refund. In daily life. Sorry, I'm late. My phone is not working. Can you help me? In emergencies. Call the police. I need a doctor. It's urgent. See? Even problems need calm words, simple words, strong words. You don't need many, just the right ones. Section 12. Polite English. Politeness is power. Politeness builds respect. Add these golden words: please, thank you, excuse me, sorry. Never forget them. They are small, but they are huge. Say please, get kindness back. Say thank you, get smiles back. Say sorry, get peace back. Politeness is global. Politeness is English. Politeness is confidence. Section 13. Ending conversations. Every talk must end, but endings matter. Endings leave feelings. Here are smooth endings. See you later. Take care. Have a good day. Talk to you soon. Short, warm, friendly. Good endings bring good memories. Good endings invite new beginnings. So never just walk away. Say something kind. Say something human. Section 14. The secret of repetition. Repetition builds strength. Repetition builds memory. One phrase once is nothing. One phrase daily is power. Say hello 10 times. It becomes natural. Say thank you daily. It becomes automatic. Repeat to grow. Repeat to shine. Repeat to own English. This is not boring. This is mastery. This is confidence. Section 15. Motivation for learners. Now listen to me. You are not weak. You are not behind. You are learning. You are growing. You are moving. Every word matters. Every phrase counts. Every try builds you. Don't stop. Don't quit. Don't fear mistakes. English is not perfect. English is practice. English is progress. One day soon, you will speak freely. You will speak proudly. You will speak confidently. And that day starts now. So today, remember this. Daily phrases matter. Simple English matters. Confidence grows small. Start with greetings. Move to questions. Use small talk. Order coffee. Talk to friends. Handle problems. Be polite. End well. Your foundation is strong. Your journey has started and you are ready. Section 16. Talking about feelings. Feelings connect people. Feelings open hearts. Use simple lines. I am happy. I am tired. I feel sad. I am excited. I am worried. Want to ask? How are you feeling? Are you okay? Do you feel better? Short words. Big meaning. This is real connection. Section 17. Talking about daily life. Daily life is English too. Share your routine. Ask about others. Say this. I wake up early. I go to work. I study English. I cook dinner. I sleep late. And ask, what do you do? What time do you wake up? Do you like your job? These are normal, but they are golden. They keep conversations alive. Section 18. Talking about hobbies. Hobbies create joy. Hobbies create talk. Use these. I like reading. I love music. I watch football. I play guitar. I enjoy cooking. Ask 2, what's your hobby? Do you like sports? What music do you enjoy? Hobbies build bridges. Hobbies build smiles. Hobbies build friends. Section 19. Talking about plans. Plans are future. Plans are hope. Say this. I will travel tomorrow. I'm going shopping later. I will study tonight. I'm meeting friends. Ask others, what are your plans? Are you free tomorrow? Do you want to join me? Simple future, simple phrases, big conversations. Section 20. Talking about the past. Past tells stories. Past builds connection. Say this. I watched a movie. I visited my friend. I studied English yesterday. I cooked dinner last night. Ask, what did you do yesterday? Did you watch the game? How was your weekend? Short stories, strong impact. Section 21. At restaurants. Food brings people together. Food needs English too. Say this. A table for 2, please. Can I see the menu? I'll have chicken, please. Can I get the bill? Ask, what do you recommend? Is it spicy? Can I have more water? Restaurants become easy. Restaurants become confident. Section 22. On the phone. Phones need confidence. Phones need clarity. Say this. Hello, this is Anna. Can I speak to John? I'll call you later. Please leave a message. Ask, who's calling, please? Can you repeat that? What time will you arrive? Phone English is short. Phone English is strong. Section 23. Online conversations. We live online. English lives online too. Use these phrases. Hi, how are you? Thanks for your message. Can we talk later? I'll send the link. Let's meet on Zoom. Digital life. Simple English. Global connection. Section 24. Expressing opinions. Your voice matters. Your opinion matters. Say this. I think it's good. I like this idea. I don't agree. That's interesting. Maybe you're right. Ask others. What do you think? Do you agree? What's your opinion? Opinions build respect. Opinions build trust. Section 25. Encouraging others. Confidence is not just yours. Confidence spreads. Encourage with words. You can do it. Don't give up. Keep going. I believe in you. Well done. Small words, big energy. Spread confidence. Section 26. Time and dates. Time is important. Dates are everywhere. Say this. What time is it? It's 3 o'clock. See you on Monday. Today is September 2nd. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Time. English is daily. Time English is simple. Section 27. Asking for directions. Lost? English helps. Say this. Excuse me, where is the station? How do I get to the park? Is it far? Turn left? Go straight? And thank them. Thank you so much. That's very helpful. Directions become easy. Stress disappears. Section 28. Staying motivated. Learning is hard, but you are strong. Repeat this truth. You can do it. English is possible. Confidence is possible. One phrase today, one phrase tomorrow. Step by step. This is not the end. This is the beginning. Your English journey continues. So, my friend, remember this. Confidence in English is not a gift. It is a skill, and you can build it. Every word you speak, every phrase you try, every small step counts. If you feel shy, stay here. If you feel nervous, stay here. If you feel stuck, stay here. Because this channel is for you. This channel is your safe space. This channel is your English flow. If confidence is your problem, then this is your solution. Subscribe now. Join our family. Learn simple English. Speak with power. Grow with us. You are not alone. Together, we rise. Together, we speak. Together, we flow. Welcome to English Flow.